A lot of American retirees are wondering how to recession-proof their retirement plans, especially with the uncertainty surrounding the economy today. If you're concerned about your financial future and want to make sure your savings are protected from the impacts of a potential recession, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share the steps you can take right now to recession-proof your retirement, ensuring you stay secure no matter what the future holds. But before we dive in, I want to mention that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get your free guide to understanding gold IRAs and why thousands of Americans are turning to them for stability in uncertain times. Now, let's jump right into recession-proofing your retirement plan. First off, one of the most important things you can do is diversify your portfolio. If your retirement savings are all tied up in traditional stocks and bonds, you're leaving yourself exposed to market volatility. During recessions, stock markets can drop sharply, and bonds may not provide the returns they once did. Diversification helps to spread risk, but what you really need to consider is a gold IRA. Gold has historically performed well during recessions. While stocks and bonds fluctuate, gold tends to retain its value, often increasing when other assets are losing money. That's why more and more American retirees are choosing gold IRAs as a part of their diversification strategy. It offers protection against inflation and a hedge against market crashes. Another thing to think about is reducing your risk exposure. If you're heavily invested in high-risk assets, it's time to make adjustments. As a retiree, you can't afford to have your wealth erode during a downturn. This doesn't mean you have to sell everything, but consider shifting more of your portfolio into safer, more stable assets. A gold IRA is the perfect option for this. By allocating a portion of your savings into gold, you're securing your wealth with something tangible and less prone to market swings. Next, let's talk about minimizing debt. High levels of debt can make it much harder to weather a recession. If you're still carrying credit card balances or loans, the interest can eat into your savings, making it harder to reach your retirement goals. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible and focus on living within your means. This will give you more flexibility with your investments and ensure that your wealth is protected. In addition, you should consider creating a passive income stream. Recessions can impact job security, so if you haven't already, you might want to explore ways to generate consistent passive income, such as from rental properties or dividends from investments. While this won't necessarily recession-proof your retirement on its own, it can provide you with some breathing room during tough times. And if you're serious about securing your wealth, adding a gold IRA to your portfolio will allow your gold to work for you, providing value over time with minimal maintenance. Finally, it's essential to review your financial plan regularly. Make sure you're on track to meet your retirement goals and adjust as necessary. A financial advisor can help you make sure your retirement strategy is in line with current economic conditions. But if you're not sure where to start, I always recommend considering a gold IRA. This simple step can be a game changer for retirees who want to stay ahead of the curve. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that recession-proofing your retirement isn't something that happens overnight. It takes time, but the sooner you start, the better. If you're looking to protect your wealth in the coming weeks, don't wait to take action. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's specifically for American retirees who have $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings. This guide will show you how to use gold IRAs to safeguard your wealth and get peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more expert advice on securing your financial future.